V. Life had never been pretty, couldn't even put it in a frame. By any means had to get it, but always kept my hands clean. Making moves across the nation, every dollar made a dream. Building profit from creation, any thought could be a thing. How could they take it if they never gave it? If I'm unslaved, then it's me that's gonna make it. I feel like I'm meant for better, and you should too, because we all deserve to feel special. Don't let no one tell you I'm riddled with bullets of failure, but none of my vitals are felt through. My resolve is deeper than Gaunt's when Peter took kite from his arms. I'll travel at God's speed until dawn, just to obtain what I want. It pains me to break all these personal bonds, but niggas just not what we on. I'm bigger than playing the role of a pawn. My image is not a facade. My demons are friends with the boss. He treats me like one of the boys. Would you cross the sticks without giving it a second thought? A risk taker and a heartbreaker, I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool, I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker, I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool, I'ma always be the wave. I got a couple of devils around for a couple of niggas that think they could get with me. Pull up and empty the 50. Clean up your block and the lickety splickety. B.O.B. keeping them with me, filling them up, making this little nigga filthy. Who gon' pull up and come get me? I'm known from Boston to Compton. You know the bomb where you at. I'm loading up carbines and cop guns. You took the ball where you at, and you a rat. I never figured it until we figured it, nigga, figure that. And you was the nigga on fucking these bitches with jigging in back of the trap with packs and straps. Oh nigga, I got the juice, bitch, best obey your thirst. While I'm riding on 23s, my enemies.
Got my coffee in this joint. What we on? It is Motivated Monday.
These bullets is cursed, so I hope
Hey, what up, man?
A risk taker and a heartbreaker, I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool, I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker, I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool, I'ma always be the wave.
I ain't been on live in a little minute. Chat, let me know what's up. I missed y'all. Chat, I've been on the grind. Chat, I've been on the grind.
I'm too great to fake it. Bigger bags that I'm chasing now. If the sky's the limit, then I'm aiming down. Money calling, I gotta take this now. Yeah, your people running on my patience out. So close, I can taste it now. Came a long way from that vacant house. They never thought that I'd make it out. Now it's bigger checks, yeah, I make them out. Hop in the OG spaceship, flip my big, get licked, then I take off. Keep it Kit Kat, get back, click clack. Don't give me no reason to break off. Cause I'm on the grind, taking what's mine. Ain't no way you dummy stolen my shine. Could've smoke on his pipe. Worried I'm not if you know me, you know that I'm been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way.
Let's get the show on the road, baby.
Still ticking, I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth, built from trauma and the.
It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. Good morning, everybody. I know I ain't been on the shindig in a while. But just glad to see y'all. I like to come talk in the days like this where it's nice and red. You feel me? Where nobody want to talk about crypto. You know what I mean? Because I personally feel like this is the best opportunity. If you Discord, we've been going crazy. J5 Telegram chat, we've been going crazy the last 2 weeks. Crazy. Even in this type of environment. No, I just said on Patreon. You know, I can't keep up with the DJs in this type of environment, right? Of course, trade safe. If you're new to the channel, if you're new to the live stream, my name is Crypto Millie, and I talk crypto almost every day. I've been slacking the last few days. I need a little break to get my mind right. But I haven't actually been outside of crypto. I just haven't been making content, right? I haven't been making content, but I've been embedded in the crypto trenches. Like and subscribe if you are in the crypto's trenches. Jasmine still looking strong. Love to see that. All right, I think I want to talk to the chat for a little minute because I ain't talked to y'all in a while. All right, so let's get into that. We shared that. Okay, we don't need that. John, what's up, baby? What up, John? Payne in the house. I know we probably waiting for a few more people to get up in here. I ain't been going live in a little minute, so this is the first live stream in a while, right? I'm coming here to cheer up a lot of people's my mindset right now. I'm seeing the Discord been going crazy. Join the Discord, guys. We got about 44 days until the next FOMC meeting. So I expect things to heat up very, very fast, right? Heat up very, very fast. Altcoins is going into a little correction above the accumulation support that we see here. So that's bullish. We've seen this in every cycle, right? And I said it, guys. You know, I know people hate this, right? I know you guys hate this, but at the end of the day, the best time to buy your altcoins is when we're closer to Bitcoin season. In fact, a few days ago, this thing was at 18, right? I haven't even checked the fear and greed index, guys. Let me know inside the chat with the fear and greed index. But I'm chilling today. I'm chilling. I'm feeling good today. I'm nice and rested. I'm ready to attack my day aggressively. Monday sets the tone for the first part of the working week. If you are trading, understand the race is not given to the swift or the strong, but the one that he can endure a full work week, guys. And yes, you know, I'm not, at the end of the day, you know what I mean? The only chart that really, really matters right now is the global liquidity chart. You know, at the end of the day, even in the midst of these corrections that we get, which, in my opinion, are healthy corrections, we're still starting to see that global liquidity take a move to the upside. And in fact, there are countries across the world right now that have already started to cut rates, and eventually over here in the Western Hemisphere, we will eventually cut rates as well. So not a time to hold your head. More of a time to get to the bag, right? Get to the bag, right? Discord, we've been stacking up ETH, looking to take advantage of this Ethereum explosion that could be on the way. In fact, in a couple of weeks, a lot of people are assuming the Ethereum ETF will be going live, and it's going to be a little bit different from what we've seen from the Bitcoin ETF, because what we've seen from the Bitcoin ETF is more of a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Here, no one had a fair chance actually to, well, you had a chance to stack ETH, but no one knew this was coming. And since no one knew it was coming, we didn't get a chance to set up our bags for the buy the rumor, sell the news event. Unfortunately, a lot of people are coming to the party a little bit late, which could be a good thing for the price inflection to Ethereum and also the rotation into altcoins. And I don't want you guys to get lost into this meme coin, as my boy Crypto Seth would say, this meme coin jargon, right? Because there are good altcoins on sale, right? Go watch my video when I gave you 5 low cap gaming altcoins that I feel could explode in the altcoin season. And of course, our beloved AI altcoins at some point, I believe, will start to uptick. So take this index right here into consideration when adding to your bag. In fact, if we just go down to the chart, every time you add it to your bag here below the Bitcoin season line, eventually altcoin seasons did make a move to the upside. It doesn't matter if it was a small move, mid move, or large move, you made money. You made money. So you buy into the red and you sell into the green. You buy the lows and you sell the highs, right? You don't wait till the excitement comes back up. You buy the lows and sell the highs. Every time this thing crosses the line, great chance, guys. Great chance to buy altcoins. I mean, the chart doesn't lie here. Chart doesn't lie. All right, so that's another thing. It's 8 o'clock, guys. What are we talking about here? We got 14 people in here. I always enjoy the stream on my way to work. Thank you, Cruz. What up, Cruz? I'm back on camera, baby. Let me make sure my camera right. Y'all can see me. What's up, chat? What's up? We gotta get everybody in here. Share. Let's get everybody in here. All right, back into the show. Where was we at? I'm glad to be back, right? All right, so what we just showed coincides with the total 3 here, right? You can see I'm expecting a little bit more pain in the short term as the RSI is extremely bearish. This is the total 3, the altcoin chart. You can see here that we are in a downtrend, head and shoulders pattern to the downside. RSI oversold, but no sign of bullish momentum. I would assume here that we are below. I mean, we are touching, because altcoin season is a little different. We may be touching here the bull market bands, right? The bull market bands, but still above the Gaussian channel. And I'm pretty sure if I looked at the VWAP, we probably a little bit below the VWAP. In fact, if we do this here, all right, actually let's minimize this, right? Okay, that's not what I was trying to do. Let's go back here and put the baseline on here. A little bit bearish here, guys. A little bit bearish momentum here from the baseline. So uh, at the end of the day, you gotta make a decision, right? You gotta, if you've been in crypto since June 2022, you gotta ask yourself, hey, is this a top? Is this a triple top? Is this over with? Do I, walk away from the table and say, hey, cash in my chips, or do you bet on the next move to the upside, as a lot of people are banking on Fed cut, Ethereum, ETF, and really this Bitcoin president thing taking the market up to the next level. Same thing coincides with the Bitcoin chart here. In my opinion, wouldn't mind trading here into a nice, good bull flag. We do got the parabola curve here. 1 base, 2 base, 3 base. Could this be the setup for the 4th base in the most lucrative move to the upside? But again, guys, the momentum is bearish right now, right? I think it's a good chance, and this is the weekly chart. So weekly charts usually take 2 to 4 weeks to play out, but it's a good chance that we can come back and bounce here, come back and retest support here at the bottom of this triangle, at about 62, 61K. In fact, every time we came back there, it was a wick and we bounced back up. But because the momentum is just so bearish right now, it's a good chance that we can come back and retest somewhere between 62 and 60K. But it still keeps us in that pattern and still keeps us above the bull market band, which will get a lot more liquidity as new people look to find it. In fact, BlackRock and their market makers, what they do is they buy the lows and sell the highs, buy the lows and sell the highs. So market making itself is something that it's not just used by small crypto projects, mid blue chips. Is even used by one of the biggest sharks in the space, which is BlackRock and a lot of these ETFs, guys. So just understand how crypto works. Nothing goes up forever, and if you are bullish in totality of where you expect the market to go in the future, why not DCA? Of course, this is not financial advice here, right? Again, more charts showing that we are in another accumulation phase. So nothing to be too bent out of shape about, because the interest is not per se in the market yet. You're seeing Bitcoin hang around all-time highs. You're seeing meme coins literally go crazy, right? In fact, I'll probably, we'll probably talk about some base meme coins that I'm looking at. One that I'm actually all in. Like and subscribe if you want me to drop some alpha, guys. Some alpha live, right? A lot of the alpha is in the Patreon when it comes to trading meme coins and my view and what I look for. Because I've becoming a bit of a trader, guys. As far as not per se selling my utility or long-term bags, but taking a little bit of dry powder on the side, put it in a little bag, and just trading altcoins for fun. And you learn so much from it. You actually learn the science of why these meme coins pump. You learn a little bit about charting, technical analysis, how to use momentum indicators. And the one thing you want to do in crypto at all time is always sharpen your craft. I've seen so many YouTubers that I've been seeing grinding for the last 2 to 3 years that just don't seem to sharpen their craft, and then continue to spew out things without honestly learning the market. And I can say, me personally, from just being behind the scenes, behind those closed doors, and being in the trenches of being a meme coin trader, you can learn so much about the science of how these markets works. What it takes for a meme coin or an altcoin or to be successful, based off narrative, team, development, even utility, if that's something that you're in. So always, the gist of what I'm saying is always stay green so you can grow. Kind of like be a sponge in the market so you can always sharpen your craft, because you never know when a new narrative is going to hit. You never know when things might change or go in your fashion. You don't want to be left behind the curve. Now, the thing is, frankly, understood, when I was in the Matrix, when I had a 9 to 5, I couldn't keep up with a lot of this stuff. So just be blessed to be part of this channel, because I'm full-time Web3, so I'm able to keep up with a lot of things. And I think time in the market really can beat trying to time the market. I've did my best when I've been embedded in the market, you know, and I know that's not for everybody. Everybody has lives outside of crypto. In fact, that's why you want to be a part of a good group. That's what makes our group so great. You know, shout out to everybody that's in that group, because there's so many different peoples from different walks of life and so many different opinions on how they view things. You can kind of take that recipe, add it to your take that sauce, should I say, add it to your recipe and cook something up, right? So try to connect with good minds in the space. You know what I mean? Learn something new. Or just follow me on Twitter, right? Blockchain Millie. This is my new Twitter, guys. A lot of people who've been asking me about partnerships and stuff. It was like, oh, we want to partner with you, but you don't have a Twitter presence. I'm like, guys, I have a Twitter presence. I'm trying to get my Twitter from being unsuspended. You know, hopefully Twitter support Elon can hear my cries out. I need my page back. Like that's part of my business. You know what I mean? So hopefully I get that page back, right? Blockchain Mill is cool, but I miss out on so much with my other Twitter page here. But Bitcoin Magazine, I love this page, right? It really gives you an update on some of the things that's going on. So largest European telecom, Deutsche Telekom, will start mining Bitcoin. That's positive. Australia's largest stock exchange, ASX, has approved its first Bitcoin ETF. You know what I mean? This is all positive news, right? You know, a lot of things are in development. And then you have here a leaked email show the Biden admin allegedly will be attending a Bitcoin and crypto roundtable in DC in July. So, you know, not bad, right? Even in this sea of red, which I call a sea of opportunity, you're still seeing bullish catalysts, right? Bullish catalysts that can continue to take us higher, right? So, like, again, your perception is your reality, however you look at it. But I don't think it's over, per se. I think corrections are healthy. I said the same thing about Jasmine. Like, so many people have been wanting to get into Jasmine at favorable prices because they missed that 203. Why not allow Jasmine to correct without spreading FUD? Hell, if you decide to spread FUD, that's on you. We got 25 people in here. Jay Flick, what's up? DJ Gunn, what's up? Hit the like, fam. Yo, good day, everyone. What bot do you use for bait and eat snipes? Well, so here's the different one, like with base. Yo, Millie, I would join someday. Hey, Jugglins, would love to see you in there, man. Would love to see you. There's no pressure. Emmy, what's up, Crow? Got my Crow fam in here. Salute to the Crow fam. Benjamin, I don't necessarily use any bots on base. It's not really needed, right? Base is a little bit different. Like with Solana, there's so many different meme coins. You can use Bunk Bot. In fact, I'll put my Bunk Bot. Well, I gotta create a new Bunk Bot. Guys, I gotta create a new Bunk Bot. If you're in the Discord, then you know exactly what happened to the Johnny 5 Telegram. I don't know why the crypto gods keep doing this to me. All right, well, so base is a little bit different. I think we covered all the news before I actually get into what I look for. Global liquidity, Fed cuts, Bitcoin magazine. Okay, we covered everything. So base is a little bit different. I think base, you don't necessarily have to snipe, because the thing about base meme coins, right? And I made a video about this in the Patreon. If you try to snipe a base meme coin, you are putting yourself in the position to get scammed, right? Because if you snipe a coin that hasn't had a full audit, a couple of things can happen, right? They can pull the liquidity. The audit could have either blacklist and whitelist. Usually when you see both of those paired together, it's a hot 75% chance that may be a scam, because what happens is they'll allow trading, right? And you can, the project allows you to sell, but they'll blacklist all of the wallets. Well, then you can't sell, right? So sniping is not the best thing to do on base, right? The best thing to do on base, this is the easiest and most important thing on base, right, is find you a good community. Now, when a new coin is dropped on base, right, the new meta is letting the coin rug out, which means letting the developers take their fucking bag and get the hell on, right? Whether it's launched out of Ape Store, whether it's launched out of Base Jump, allow the developer to sell off his fucking bag and get out the way, right? That's the new meta, right? It's called CTO, community takeovers. And what we have here And again, you want to be part of the Patreon if you want to know the scoop with this. I'm not going to share it on live stream. But what we do, what we have here is the new meta is these community takeovers, right? Finding a good group of people that have money, right? Because if you don't have money, then you don't want to be a part of a community takeover if a person is trying to take over a project that doesn't have the funds, right? They have to have the funds to develop the project, right? To take over the project, you need money, first and foremost. So these days, no one snipes base meme coins. We just fucking wait on the community takeover, right? So it's a little meta. I ain't gonna share everything here. Join the Patreon. We wait on the community takeover, but there's specific community takeovers you want to look for, right? You don't want to get involved with the wrong community takeover because everybody wants to try to take over a community, but they don't have the funds, right? They don't have the money to make it happen, right? And that just leads to them creating a marketing wallet. Now you got to trust that the team is going to do the work. Freak all that. There's actually I don't know how to say this. Just community takeover. Okay, I can't share all the alpha here on the live stream, guys, but you get where I'm going at. Yo, really, I was enjoying Sunday. Okay, that's really appreciated. Signabot as a baseball on Telegram is better than BunkBot, in my opinion. For example, you'll stop asking me code 3 times when I buy DJ on base. Yeah, CTOs. Signabot, yeah. Juggling, that's true. But there's no need for a bot on base. Base is a little bit different, right? So, you know, finding base gems, right? Yeah, CTOs is the new meta. So it's a strategy you want to get into with these CTOs. So sniping a new launch, right? It's cool if it's a good project, right? You might get lucky where it's a serious team. These days, it's not a serious team, right? If I just go to my Telegram, what do you see here, guys? I could just name, and I'm gonna just give you the meta. CTO, 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 CT fucking O. This is the meta, all right? So you don't need to snipe. If you snipe, you'll most likely lose your money, right? You snipe into an early launch, and the dev is going to sell his bag. Ape Store Jeets are going to sell their bag. Base Jump Jeets are going to sell they're going to dump on you. They're going to dump on you. If it's a Wag Me Fear launch, I would snipe those. If you have confidence it's a Wag Me Fear launch or is launched on Uniswap as a stealth launch, that's a good base token to snipe, right? But not anything on Ape Store. If you're going to snipe, use, you know, the bot that he was just naming. Use it in Ape Store. Use it in Base Jump. Snipe from there so you can take advantage of the pre-launch, right? And if it makes it to Uniswap, then you already going to make a 5 to 10x, right? Depending on how strong the community is and how much diamond hands that they have. But diamond hands are not popular today, and especially in this type of market, right? When the market is red, what you see is paper hands, revenge trading, honeypot scams, and you might get lucky throughout the day, right? Guys, when I'm trading meme coins, right, now I'm gonna keep it all the way real. In an environment like this, I might take a L all day, but it might be one meme coin where I smack a 10x, right? I smack a 10x and I make up all the money that I lost and more. So don't let nobody get up here and fool you like they don't lose, right? You're going to lose if you're trading meme coins. It's a high degen space. It takes a lot of adrenaline. You got to be up all night. You got to be on the computer. When I'm trading meme coins, I don't even fucking sleep, right? I'm up all night cooking. All right, this is 24/7 cook session, right? If you don't cook 24/7, then you better have some stop losses and some things set up, right? You better have it set up. So again, the meta right now is just finding some pretty good CTOs, right? Finding some pretty good CTOs, right? Or you can head here to trending. What I like to do is I head to trending. If I'm just trading, I head to trending and go find some super degen market caps, right? I'm looking at a few things. I'm looking at market cap. I'm looking at makers. I'm looking at volume. And then once I find me a good token, I'm looking at the buyers, right? The people who buy previous wallets. I'm putting it through multiple checks before I decide to get into this. And I've done a meme coin video again in the private chat. I don't want to get too in depth into it because I know you guys will be like really be degens and try to like do it, but it takes experience, right? You got to know what to look for. And the biggest thing to look for, in fact, is the community, right? Is the community. So these days, we just wait for the CTO. Let the dev dump. Let the dev dump to 10K market cap, 6K market cap, right? And you got these sharks. I call them sharks. I'll just put it like that on the stream. You got these sharks that are specifically looking to drive CTOs. But it's a certain group of sharks you want to follow, right? Again, anybody can do a CTO, but I want to be part of a CTO where the person that's actually driving the CTO is a experienced trader, a successful trader. They have Chads in their group. They have a group of, pretty wealthy people that could push this along, right? And you want to keep that in mind when looking for a CTO. In fact, we shared a CTO on the Patreon at about $71,000 market cap. I believe it was Biggie. Biggie has putting in a nice good uptrend, right? This was a CTO that this just went great from start to beginning, right? And we were able to find this CTO very low market cap. But the people who were actually pushing the CTO, I've heard of them. I know of them. They have had successful CTOs in the past, and these are the people you want to be a part of. So instead of like sniping, look for meme coins and losing your money because everybody's waiting on the CTO, just wait for the CTO and make sure you're following a good group that knows how to push a community takeover. Because if they don't know how to push a community takeover, at the end of the day, you are going to get wrecked, right? So this is a project that I'm feeling like has beautiful potential. I've shared why inside the Patreon. I'm not going to chill it too much here, but go do your research, join the Telegram, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about here. But yeah, that's the new meta, guys. Being able to find CTOs when they first happening, right? When they first happen. And we got people in the group that do CTOs and things of that sort. All right, so let's get into some of the comments and see what you guys are talking about. We got 38 people in here. Thing is, don't have too much money to go into investments at the moment, so my idea was to get a couple quick draw snipes and see how it goes. Yeah, Benjamin, you can definitely try that. You can try that, right? But okay, so I'm gonna put it like this: you can snipe something that drops at 10K, 20K, right, and then it goes up to 100K. Take your profits, right, because it's gonna go back down. Or you can wait till it runs to 100K in a frothy market. Wait till it drop to about 6K. Market caps, hear me out, guys. 6 to 10K market cap. And just wait for the CTO. And when the CTO happens, make sure it's a good group behind the CTO. I'm giving y'all fucking alpha right here. If you gonna make a bag, listen to me, guys. Listen to me. Ain't nobody finna tell you this. Listen to me. Listen to me. It's easy bags in this shit. I'm telling you guys. But I'm not the type of person that tell you this and show why. I'm not gonna do that, right? Go follow Crash. He you know what I'm saying? He's probably in the mountains and Himalayas, wherever the fuck he's at. Okay. I am telling you off experience. That's all I can tell you. All right, let me pause myself up here. Where are you at on Bolt? That probably doesn't work. Safer to learn normal day trading than start for $5 to learn. Appreciate the time and consideration. No problem, John 316. I needed that positivity, good brother. But TG bot is still 10 times faster than Coinbase, or you don't need to snipe launch because Radium not working. Appreciate the input. Look, FDY, hit that like, fan. Hit that like. Listen to FD. Okay, hit that like. Crow Nation. Have you checked out meme coin Chan Poo? I haven't done any meme coins on Sol. I haven't. Like, I'm not a big fan of meme coins on Sol at the moment. So, because it's just so many scams, right? I like, and this is why you want to find you a chain that's popular, but everybody is not on just yet like they're on Sol. That's why I like Base. I think Ton is another one that people are starting to migrate on. Ton is starting to get bullish. You want to start to learn that ecosystem because you're starting to see some big names move to Ton because of all the scams that's happening on Base as well. So you just want to put yourself in a position to be in the first mover's advantage. And I think Crow will do well. They also have a casino and potential meme coin ecosystem that could do well, guys. But again, this is sniping requires 10x rugs. After that, you're ready. But I don't want you guys to get too away from, keeping your utility bags. I got to make that clear, right? I'm not selling my utility bags. I'm not selling bags that I have high conviction on. I'm going to make the new money, and I'm taking the risk on making the new money, right? And these are some of the things that I'm looking for. I'm retired on Sol right now. My video mark is it's like 20 million. Check out Hoppy, 1.5 million on ETH. Also CTO Hoppy. Let's see. He said check out Hoppy. All right, this one looks like it's starting to. I got so many CTOs on point, guys. Like I could give you guys so many. Okay, this is the one you're talking about right here. CTO 1.5 million liquidity. I give you guys so much CTOs that over the weekend we just slayed the trades, right? We just slayed the trades. Dorkle was one. Dorkle was a CTO that we got in, right? Went from 39K to 500,000K. It's soon corrected. This looks like it's ready to kind of like fall off the map here, right? Good liquidity, $30 million market cap, 10 million in volume. This is some very, very good volume, but it's a little below the VWAP here. Let's see if we got any more information on this. Can we go to the 4 hour? All right. Can we go to the daily? Yeah. All right. So let's look at this from the daily perspective. Let's see here. And reload this. Hopefully this is the one that you're talking about, because I know how you guys get. You guys, there's so many different Hoppies. I know there was a baby Hoppy that I got wrecked on, and I waited for the CTO. But again, right people wasn't in the CTO, and it didn't really do anything. In fact, it probably did now that I'm talking about it. But it, you know how it goes. So is this Hoppy that you're talking about? Yeah, it looks like it's coming down to the point where it's ready to correct, right? You're getting a reversal here on the RSI, both overbought. So again, you never want to buy anything on the daily if it's at 90, around 90 on the RSIs, right? And now this is coming below the VWAP, and clearly losing momentum here. This could put in a correction, right? So anybody that's looking to enter, you might be looking for this thing that's put in a bullish flag and move to the upside. But again, who knows if that's happening? Altcoins have been weak. The market has been weak. So we've seen altcoins pump up 5, 10x and then correct and lose all of the gains. So you never want to put yourself in a position where you're catching a falling knife. That's why if you have conviction on a project or you're looking for an entry point, you DCA in, in sectors. That way you're not overextending yourself. But not sure what's going on with Hoppy. I know it's part of the Matt Furry narrative, so I wouldn't be surprised if this thing continues to do well over time. But right now, these 2 wick candles are telling me that it has lost strength. So you want to be a little bit cautious with that if you're looking to buy a top. Some people like buying tops. Say, I don't know what the hell you guys like doing, but some people like buying tops. But yeah, guys, you just never know where there's going to be a CTO, right? What was another one that we got into? For instance, like Pep Cat here. This was a project that I bought in down here, shared with the J5 Telegram, and then it got CTO'd, and I woke up and got a 17x off this. Literally, guys, a 17x on this project. It's looking like it's primed on the 4 hour to do something nasty, right? You got an inverted head and shoulders. You got shoulder, head, shoulder. This could be ready for his next move. Not financial advice, not telling you guys to buy this, but again, I've took a little profits here as well, so I want to make that clear. But yeah, this is an example, right? The team was working. Like, the team is funny, right? There's this lady inside the TG called Granny, and she was just honestly working, right? She really wanted this project to do well, and I took liking into the community. I'm like, wow, why is this project not doing well? The community is working, and then it got took over. By some people that I really respect on base. These are base chads, right? Took it over, and I woke up to a 17x monster candle overnight, right? And the same people that took over this project have also took over Biggie here as well. So that's one of the reasons that I shared it. I was like, okay, this could do well over time, right? Nothing is going to happen, overnight, right? Just give it some time, and you can see, something nice happen for it. Again, you got to have patience, right? Because some people would have left this project, right? But I stuck around. I hung around the TG. I seen how hard they was working. I seen how they really were genuine people, and they really wanted to make this thing work. Then I was seeing all the hype. I'm like, what is going on with Pep Cat? I looked and I seen 17x from a CTO, right? This is what happens in the meme coin space. And again, I'm days, like, that's why you haven't seen me live stream, guys, because I'm in really in the trenches, like building. So this is the type of things that can happen if you get behind a good community takeover. You wake up to a 17x. Like and subscribe if you're getting some alpha. All right, we got 44 people in here. Yeah, Hoppy ripped. I'm new. Opinion on Boys Club, please. What Boys Club? It's like a million Boys Clubs out there. Which one? The real coins, that's the wrong one. 1.5 market Millie. Do you know Story J? Yeah, I've heard of it. It's an OG token or bear chain. Or they have a game now in TG. That's positive. Boys Club. I haven't checked Boys Club today. I think Brute comes back around at some point as well. I love the narrative behind it, right? The Brett Killer. I'm a big fan of base. All right, Boys Club has some things going on. They're working on a wallet. And again, there's people inside the comments on the video that I made. It was like, well, Millie, how do you know the wallet is safe? You have to do your research, right? I can say all day, hey, these guys are working on a wallet, but is it safe, right? Still bearish on the daily. You can see here, RSI bearish. Stock RSI bearish, but still, regardless of how it's fell, it's still at a point where it's putting in a lower high from here. So the trend is your friend to the end. Can it hold this trend? We'll just have to see. There is a lot of jeets in this project, guys. You got to understand, this thing went from a $400,000 market cap to a $15 million market cap in 5 to 7 days. That's a huge run. And the market got a little frothy, and people decided to take profits. They had a little FUD. The team continues to work. The team continues to deliver for meme coins. Because, again, at the end of the day, this is one of the things that kind of like our community project, right? You'll see these meme coins that have no life expectancy, right? They don't have no life expectancy. They don't get listed on exchange. They don't even make it to coin market cap, right? They have this huge pump. Everybody makes money. They dumps it, and then you never hear about it again, right? There's literally meme coins that have done the necessary steps, everything that the community has asked, including our community token, that just haven't been doing well. I think for ours, in our community token, I think it's more like being on BNB. BNB lacks the volume for memes. I think once CZ gets out, BNB will start to catch on again. A lot of people don't buy meme coins on BNB like they used to, right? So that's one thing. And I talk to the J5 Elite Council all the time about just expanding to multi-chains, because we are a multi-chain token. But guys, when these things pump up, at some point they gotta correct. Okay, now what you want to look for is if the momentum can continue. The one thing that I've seen that kind of like differentiates this project from others is that the team continues to deliver. Now, the volume here has ticked off tremendously, right? This thing was bringing in $1 million in volume at one point a day. It's at 78,000, right? So you'll have to see the volume start to uptick again, but it is in a bearish trend, right? You can see a huge move to the downside. It's below the VWAP, which is 3.7. It's bearish right now, but it's still the little bit of hopium that you have left that this can turn around from here is the fact that we're still above this low here, which technically would be a higher low. And the trend is your friend until the end. But it's a meme coin. It's on Base. Base has a lot of meme coins. Interest wanes to different places. That's how it happens, right? Sometimes this narrative might be popping, and then people start jumping into this narrative and selling the meme coin to get into another meme coin. Sometimes you just gotta hold, tuck away. If you made a lot of money on this, cool. Take your profits, leave your moon bag, move on. It's really, really simple. Then you look up and it's at $30 million, $50 million market cap, and you're like, okay, cool. I left my moon bag, but hey, if I would have kept all of it, I probably would have had way more. But it's okay. Live with it and move on, right? No regrets. There's always another opportunity in crypto. But I don't think that this is a bad project. I just think that the market is frothy. People have decided to take profits, and they just got to stick with it. Continue to grind, continue to post on Twitter, continue to do things, and they'll overcome, right? They'll overcome. I'm confident that they will overcome here. Be at 20 million, not 1.5 million. Yeah, I just see that. Broke Brent and Quill. Yeah. Broke Brent allegedly has a good team behind it. I've done some research on Broke Brent. Thoughts about AGI? It's dipping. I think AI coins across the market is dipping. What's your take on Baby Pepe? Oh, that's what I actually hold. Man, Baby Pepe was cool, right? Yeah. Look at it. It's pumping back on the stream, right? Cool. Love to see Hoppy doing that, right? I want to see people make money in the space. Baby Pepe started a whole, like, baby narrative, right? So, you know, the baby thing had died for a while, and then we seen Baby Pepe here pump from a $500,000 market cap to almost a, what, 10 million? Yep, $10 million market cap. It did something crazy. And it's been holding very, very strong. So I'm liking what I'm seeing from Baby Pepe. So I think one of my guys inside the Discord just posted some things about this, saying that the same team that helped Pepe get listed on exchanges are now working to help Baby Pepe. You're seeing a huge cup and handle on a 4-hour. Chart looks bullish. 3 wick candles here. Clearly resistance. Bullish flag. Bullish flag here, trying to put up, but below the VWAP, if you can get some type of momentum. Volume looks nice, but you want to see this continue to go up, right? You want to see this continue to go up. You want to see this RSI bounce off the smooth line and continue to go up. It's a good chance that it could, right? Good chance that it could. Baby Pepe is a little bit stronger than Boys Club from its pump. And in fact, the meme coins have been very, very strong. Another one that has pumped a good little bit that I hold. I haven't sold none of my Zeus yet. A little bit yesterday, this thing was at like 55 cent. We got into this around 5-7 cent. I haven't even sold none of this one. This is one that I really, really have confidence that will do well. It's Pepe's dog. We got some whales in this project from other successful projects. I've made a video on this. Go check out the video. And yeah, this thing right here has been holding strong since it had a nice pump. Yeah, a lot of meme coins that we've been in have had a nice, good pump, right? And these are meme coins that are respected in the space. They have whales that are successful. They don't give a fuck about money. They just want their bags to go up, right? They're not looking to dump on anybody. I'm very confident in this meme coin to being another one in the Pepe verse that does very well as far as Matt Furry art. And there's been Zeus's on other chains that's doing well. I know people have been telling me about Zeus on Solana, Zeus on Bait, whatever. But this is the one that I specifically hold. I think there'll be an influx of liquidity into ETH meme coins because ETH meme coins kind of fell off the map. But when this ETH ETF comes back around and ETH has, you know, it's like the world. It has a lot of open liquidity for not just memes, of DeFi plays, utility plays. I think a lot of that liquidity rotation from ETH, once ETH pumps, right? Maybe 5X's or do something crazy, you'll see a liquidity rotation into these ETH memes, these ETH utility plays. So don't give up on ERC20 tokens. I know you guys love Base. I just recently started to like do Degen stuff on ETH. I wasn't a Degen on ETH, right? Because I didn't know the gas fee. But the gas fees lately have been pretty low. You can see the Gwei here at 4. So I was like, okay, cool. Let's do some ETH plays. We got into an ETH play called Dorko, which was OX666. It went from $39,000 market cap when I got in to about $500,000 market cap. We was able to take profits there, and it was a community takeover. So, but yeah, this the baby narrative kind of like took off. You got baby Andy, and I don't know if that thing dumped yet. This is one that I know that a lot of the community has been talking about in the Discord. This thing has been on a wrecking ball to the upside. You got baby Andy. You got a few other baby tokens that have not did well. So you want to make sure again that you're getting into some that have good teams and have teams that actually want to work. That's not just trying to farm or make money. Because another big thing in crypto is farming, right? One of the things that I seen with the whole baby Hoppy thing is they had a tax on the token. So I was kind of wondering, like, if you got a tax on the token, how you doing a CTO? Because if you don't have that wallet, then that means the devs, the original team, they're going to farm that marketing or that original tax wallet. They're going to farm it and just be making money off the community as the community drives the community takeover. So any CTO you see that has a tax, I would stay away from it. If the community is able to get that wallet through multi-sig, fine. But if you see a CTO and the token has a tax, I would be a little bit wary of that, because you don't know if the dev is in their team is able to still farm the token. So that's another thing you want to pay attention to, right? When you're in a Telegram, you'll see these bots just like, continue to buy, guys. Come on, load up. But you like, damn, the price keep going down. Most likely the team is farming. So you want to stay away from teams that kind of coerce you to keep buying, but you see the chart going down. More times than not, they're farming you, and you're just going to lose money. So just keep that in mind, right? Just keep that in mind. But yeah, baby Pepe started a whole baby narrative, and now there's a whole bunch of baby tokens that's trying to like make their contracts like OX68, OX67, OX65. Some of them are good, some of them are not, guys. There was like 2 that launched over the weekend that was absolutely dog water trash. So just be careful once a narrative starts, because just because another person decides to drop a token in the same narrative, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be a good project. So just keep that in mind there. Is Aether all-time high VC scam, or can I buy it? Aether? These are big tokens, guys. I mean, like, I don't know, man. I mean, how much money are you putting in Aether? You know, no, that's the question. If you're buying this token right here, are you considering that it's already at a $246 million market cap? And it just dropped. Like, let it give it some time to like get all the pre-sale people out, right? Let the Bollinger Bands tighten up. If you see a VC token drop, yeah, I wouldn't buy it as soon as it drops. Now, this is a good project, right? We know the GPU, CPU thing is going to be huge, but it has a lot of competition in the market. You got a lot of VCs behind this project. You got a lot of KOLs that's a part of this project. At some point, it will go back up. But the best thing to do with a project like this is just be patient. Let the market come to you. There's a lot of good projects that's just sleep right now, because all the hype is on meme coins. Unfortunately, that's how it is, and it's taking a lot of looks off the utility tokens. But they will come back around. Once enough people get wrecked, they'll start buying quality again. You just got to wait till that happens. You just got to have patience. I can't tell you whether to buy Aether token. I can tell you what I would personally do. Excuse me, allergies messing up. I would just wait. I would just chill and wait for it to kind of like bounce down. I thought I got wrecked on Boys Club base, but they coming back up 188%. Well, then you might have. Which one are you talking about? There was 2. There was one that launched over the weekend. Boys Club on base. Yeah. There's 2 of them though. Opinion about Boel. I never heard of that one. Bull Run. They need to have that DEX running. Is it up? They will become other Panda Swap. What are y'all talking about? Have you used the bot lurking and while working? But broke bet. Yeah, broke bet is one that my Discord's been talking about. I mean, you can take a look at Chaun Poo, CHAUN Poo. All right, let's see here. Chaun Poo. All right, guys, want to look at Chaun Poo? I think you're talking about this one on Sol. $14 million market cap, 393 in liquidity. How long has this been around? The graphics look nice, I will say that. Slow growth, slow cooker, nothing wrong with it. On the 4 hour is a little bit overbought. see what we got here. Sean Poo, the Chinese Trump. Y'all make sure y'all go follow me on Twitter. 789. Okay, they're getting callers from Jacob Burry. Okay, I know this guy. He's an okay caller. Okay, so team is working. They definitely paid for some KOLs. Oh yeah, this could do good. This could do good. Once I see my boy Connor called it. So yeah, I think this could do well. It's only a $14 million market cap. Yeah, this could be a cooker, man. Even at a $14 million market cap, because I've seen the quality of the callers, I think that this could do well, right? When you got a good project that has quality callers, it could do well, right? So also what I like to do is I like to go to the Telegram and see what's cooking, right? Check out the pinned messages, right? See what's happening in the Telegram here. So let's go tap to verify. Okay, see what's going on. 732 members. Alrighty here. Alright, they got some things going on. Telegram seems like they're very active. Community seems active. We got the bots set up. I like what I'm seeing. They're already talking about listings. We have our marketing. Alright, let's see what they got going on. So, not bad. I think that this project has potential. It has some pretty neat callers, pretty quality callers, right? Anybody can call the project, but it's still quality. Would I buy it now? I'll probably wait for a little bit of pullback, right? I wouldn't buy this until it comfortably pulls back, but this could be the pullback, right? This could be a bull flag setup and its next move to the upside, but it's a bit overbought here. A little bit overbought on our side for me. Could definitely come pull back to the middle, the median here, the Bollinger Bands, but the level of quality that I'm seeing from the callers could do well, right? Could do well. Artwork looks good. Nothing, you know. Okay token. I don't got nothing bad to say about this. Is this Waka Flocka token? Did he finally drop his token? Oh, it looked like he finally dropped his token. Did the boxer drop his token? What's his name? Ryan Garcia. Is this Flocka's official token? It's actually doing pretty well. It's doing better. I was waiting for him to drop the contract address, but again, he didn't bother me. Yep, this is his official token. Not bad. $8 million market cap. These things dump so quick, so up 11,000%. I would stay away from this, but I've seen it trending. You know, Daddy and Tate and all these people, they dropping these tokens, but yeah. Flocka adding the boys club. Yeah, it could do well. $8 million market cap. Crazy. I didn't even know he dropped a token, but it's good to see. Good to see a celebrity token is doing pretty good. Let me see what we got here from the community. Yeah, Aether has a good. Any thoughts on Daddy on base? Crypto Journeys. Not Tate. Daddy on base. Let's see here. All right, so it's had a little bit of correction, but this token has done well, man. Look, salute to Rodney. You know, I appreciate what he's building over there. His token went from a $1 million market cap to at 1.8, almost like a $10 million market cap. So like he did that, man. He was able to hit at $1.810 million market cap, bro. That's amazing. The project is still in an uptrend. The community has really been showing out here with the daddies, and it continues to just march higher. Right, it's actually been one of the most successful influencer tokens that I've seen out there. Right, it's been very, very successful. I know Hammy did well. Hammy did really, really well, but it's been really quiet as of late. But yeah, Rodney's token has done extremely well, man. He has a lot of KOL friends, so he has a lot of people that that's willing to call this for him, you know. So I like it. I like the fact that, you know, this guy really, really worked hard at this, and this project is doing well. I wish my KOL friends would have stood up. You feel me? But I had to cut them dudes off, bro. Once I seen their true colors. But his boys stepped in and they did their thing, right? I'm pretty sure Jake and all those are helping him get this out here. And that's the type of assistance you need, man. You need good people that believe in what you're doing, right? Not these fake ass motherfuckers. You know what I mean? Motherfuckers that, one day they and then the next day they asking questions. They like, come on, bro. It's like, bro, are you gonna help me push this? Or are you not? He got good people behind him. He got a good team behind him. You know what I'm saying? And his community is standing up. So I got nothing but respect for it. He launched on base. Great idea. And the trend is continuing to go to the upside. It's corrected a little bit, so anybody that may be looking for an entry point, you can see that you got a wick candle here. Strength continues to be strong. 148,000 in volume, not bad. So yeah, man, not bad. A little bit overbought on the daily, but definitely a good trend here. Definitely a good trend and a nice good sell-off, which you need to get new buyers in. So anybody that probably missed this, if these wick candles continue, that just means people are picking up these buying these bags that people are selling. And if this puts in a higher low from here, then they continue to trend, right? You can see it clearly bounced off the trend line. It wants to continue to bounce off the trend line and go higher. So not bad. Oversold on the 12-hour. Stock RSI is in the medium, a little bit of sideways action. Love letting them see it, man. Just love to see the success. I'm all for the culture. All for the culture here. BTC's investment on not selling that. Thank you, Millie. No problem, Goldie. He's doing a pre-sale on a token called Garcia. Oh, he's doing a pre-sale. Okay, it's called Garcia. Any thoughts on KRC20? Coins like Casper and Yodo. What else do you think of Rodman coin? I haven't even done any research on Casper tokens. Are they already out? Are they on Casper chain or are they on ETH? Let me know. Oh, wait, 69 baby Pepe doing the baby Doge? Yeah, man, definitely. My financial friend and Connor Kenny Shield Daddy. Yeah. They did. They're all part of the same KOL group. Millie sent some J5 to Sam. I've talked to Sam behind the scenes, man. Sam is a cool guy. I've talked to him behind the scenes. He's a pretty good guy. He's reached out. We've had a conversation. I really, really like Sam. That Ryan Garcia guy, that shit gon' rug. Yeah, they can rug, man. Maybe Waka Flocka's gonna rug as well. KRC20 is not out yet, I think. Okay, any thoughts on Kabe? KHA Bay? KAH Bay. Is that Kobe or some shit? Or did I spell it wrong? I probably spelled it wrong. Oh, KHA. Spelled it wrong. I'm with that little dyslexic. Y'all gotta bear with me. What is this token, bro? Like, what are you asking me to check out? I don't even see this shit, bro. Am I looking in the wrong place or something? Did I spell it wrong? What is wrong with me this morning? Got 44 people in here like and subscribe. He said send some J5 to Sam. I'll send him some J5. I don't got no problem with doing that. I don't see it. Millie X Sam for the win. Yeah, Sam is a cool guy. Oh, they showed Daddy. Oh, yeah. Well, they helped him out. Yeah, they showed some love, bro. That's what you need. You need good KOLs in the group. Like I said, I had some guys that I thought that they was gonna hold it down as KOLs and really help the project get out there, right? But they didn't, right? They didn't. They were looking at it from a competitive type of thing, right? Salute to like Connor, those guys, right? They never looked at Rodney as competition. They like, look, that's my guy. I'm gonna help his project get get going. You feel me? And we gonna help the community grind and make some money. That was what it was supposed to be about, right? So the guys that I work with, and I'm not gonna mention any names on the stream, but you guys probably know what I'm talking about. Now I reached out to those guys and I thought that they were, KOL guys and friends that, really wanted to see the community win, right? But that just wasn't what it was, right? They, they just ended up being on some other shit. And that's why I don't work with them anymore. That's why you don't see us doing live streams anymore because, at the end of the day, I wanted the community wins. And if you're going to help out a project, right, if we're going to call a project, that means your community wins, my community win. I wasn't trying to get wealthy or rich off the project. I just wanted to see the community win. And there were people who won inside our community that really, really made a nice bag, and salute to you guys. You know what I mean? But it did fuck me up a little bit, because I was like, damn, bro, I thought you was my guy. You know what I'm saying? I thought we was about to, you know what I'm saying, send this shit to space. Let's go, baby, let's go. But it wasn't, they didn't reciprocate the same energy. But on the flip side, if they created a coin and they reached out to me and said, hey, Millie, what's good? I don't need no coin, nothing, right? I'll buy my own bag. Let's get this shit cracking. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it popping. You know what I mean? That's just the type of person that I am, right? So I can't fuck with them dudes, man. I just can't, bro. It's over. It's over for that. You check out Broke Brett, B Brett. They said they got that you get Brett tokens for holding B Brett, but not sure about it. Seems to be doing okay. Yo, that mag on base is sending 200%. Yeah, I gotta check out. I know mag on base is sending. I know some guys that's part of the mag on base. Look, you gotta be in the trenches, but there's a group that's really, really pushing mag on base, so I know it's gonna do well, right? That's why I know Biggie is gonna do well, because the same group that's behind mag on base, the same group that helped Bitcoin on base go from like $1 million to $30 million market cap, them same people are in Biggie as well. So, I'm telling you guys, like, this is going to be the next one. This is going to be the next one. I am fully all in on this project as far as one of my favorite base tokens. The artwork is crazy. It makes sense, right? Biggie has a token, so every time she talks about crypto, right? She was just on Jim Cramer's show. She openly talk about crypto. She has a token called Mother. This is the mother of base, and the people that took over this project are some of the same people that helped Bitcoin on base, that helped MAGA Trump, and Bitcoin base at what, 30 million? This thing is at $100,000 market cap, right? Look, I remember it was 200 holders, it's 1,000 holders. So I put this in the Patreon at $71,000 market cap, right? I'm telling you guys, this one is special. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know when I'm gonna drop a video on it, but I'm gonna drop a video on it. I told my guys, I said, I'm gonna drop a video on it on the culture, right? I bought my own bag, right? So this is not something I'm shilling because I got paid for. This is the MAGA, the same people that's pushing that are the same Chads are also in this token. That's all I'm gonna say, guys. That's all I'm gonna say. So, not financial advice. Let the word to the wise be efficient. 42 watching, only 17 likes. Smash the likes like Rye said. No fuck wrong with y'all. Let's go, Rye. You heard what Rye said. Smash the likes, baby. Smash the likes. China. Yeah, smash the lights, smash the lights, smash the lights. Ryan Garcia. Yeah, Millie, Sam is a cool guy. Sam is a cute guy. Smash the lights like Ross said. All right, chat. So, what are we on? We done. Yeah. I know about MAGA, bro. These guys are the same guys, bro. Same guys. It's some Chads in base that really, really help these projects get going. Right, and of course, they make their profits, right? But they don't just dump on people, right? This is a respected group in the space that they're not like the cabal. They're actually respected in the space. They actually when they latch onto something, it's kind of like artist development. If you're a rapper, right, you gotta they develop you, they help you get going. All right, they probably make their little bag and they move on to the next project. They help they get going. After they help they get going, hey, it's on the community to keep this thing going. Yeah, Connor is cool too. Those are all my guys. Those are all my guys, man. Yeah, I know I haven't gone live in a while. I gotta get back on it. When Elon gonna pump? I have no clue, bro. I don't. I'm in the trenches, Goat Daddy. I'm in the trenches, man. You feel me? And I've said this before, guys. Like, I bought the. I gave my girl the Elon bag. Like, I said, hey, here's your first crypto, right? I gave it to her. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the trenches, right? But I'll check out Elon for you. I don't really, they got some new influencers that's pushing Elon. So, salute to those guys. Salute to those guys. Elon. Salute to those guys. I thought I had a better chart than this on Elon. Definitely oversold here on the weekly. And again, and I want to make it clear, it's no knock to Elon or nothing like that. Though this token is going to be successful for people, but I'm just in a different space. You gotta understand, guys. I'm full time Web3, so I don't have to. I'm gonna be honest with you. Any token that's over $100 million market cap, right? Like I said, I gave my holdings to my girl, right? I gave my dog Mars holdings to my girl, and this is her token, right? And it's only because any token that's like over $100 million market cap, it just don't make sense for me, because I know how to find tokens when they, I'm really getting a little good at it. So like, if you got a 9 to 5, right? If you got a 9 to 5 and you can't be in crypto all day, right? You can't be in crypto all day. And this thing is just like in a downtrend, and it's following the downtrend to the key. It has to break out of this downtrend at some point, right? This is the 3-day chart. But if you're in crypto, right, and you're and you got a 9 to 5 and you just really don't have time, yeah, park your money into a meme coin over $100 million. Is less volatile. You know what I'm saying? You can sleep at night. You don't got to be up at night like I am trading meme coins, right? This is for people that just don't have the time, right? You don't have the time to consistently follow a meme coin and do those type of things that it takes to be a degen, right? Because degen takes time in the market, right? You can't half-step being a degen because you're going to get fucking wrecked, right? But for these projects, they're confident. You can be confident in it. It's been around a while. It has the grace of, being multi-chain. They have a lot going on with it. So if you're a person that just wants to hold and you believe when the bull market and altcoin season comes, yes, these what I call blue chip meme coin tokens will do well. In fact, when Dogecoin and Shiba pumps, this is going to pump, right? It's literally holding a $100 million market cap, which is bullish, right? It has 14 million in liquidity. This is bullish. But this is more for a person that's not every day in crypto. Since I'm every day in crypto, I personally get bored. So I need something to do that, because videos is cool, but YouTube don't pay like that. So I got to get in the trenches and I got to grind. YouTube don't pay like that. So I'm in the trenches. So for me, it just doesn't make sense. So I gave my bag to my girl. But if you're holding this project and you're just living a regular life, you're in the matrix, cool. You good. Just, chill, have patience, and wait for altcoin season to happen. All right? Don't complain. Don't say, oh, it's dead. It's just chill and just relax. Go touch grass or something. It eventually will do well. It's a lot more closer to the floor than the top, right? It's in the 818s now, right? I mean, altcoins have been getting wrecked for the last 2 months. Wrecked. And now they're almost back to like yearly lows, right? And if this is your favorite altcoin, then that's good. That's not bad. That's good. You can load up, you can DCA, you can get more off your bag. Nothing wrong with that. Tectonic, I don't know, man. You gotta ask the people in Tonic, bro. I can't speak. Look, what did my boy Zach Humphrey say? I am where the money is. I am full-time Web3, guys. I gotta go where the money at. I can't sit here and baby you and be like, oh, this is why Tectonic pumping. I don't know why Tectonic pumping. I don't freaking care why Tectonic is pumping or it isn't pumping. I just gotta be honest with you. I don't care. Maybe ask the people that's following Tonic at the time. I'm not actually following that Tonic, and I've made that clear, right? So not saying it's a bad project, but I'm just not following it, right? I'm where the money is at, right? I'm where the money is. You know what I mean? I'm full-time Web3, so I got to be where the money is. I got to be intact. I got to be on point, right? But that's just me. Doug the Duck. Oh man, I don't like duck tokens. I don't like. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I do not like duck tokens. I do not like duck tokens. I don't know why. I just don't like ducks. So yeah, I don't like duck tokens. Simo. I don't know how I feel about the duck token narrative at all. I don't know how I feel about that narrative. Doug the Duck. Let's see. One is these got some rugs, right? But I guess you talking about this one on Solana because this one has 2 million in volume. Doug the Duck, duck off. 2 million FOC. It looks good. Looks good. Chart looks strong. Chart looks strong. They got the Pepe artwork to the duck. I like it. Not bad. Not bad. I'm not a duck guy. Like you gotta buy. You also gotta buy what you're attracted to. I don't like ducks, so I'm not a bit of duck guy. So for meme coins, it gotta make sense for me. I don't really like ducks, but that doesn't mean it won't do well. The artwork looks dope. $2 million market cap. I'm not in the TG. I can't really give you any insight on what's going on with this project. I don't follow it. It's the first time that I've seen it, but I can tell you from looking at this chart on the 4-hour, the chart does look strong. Right, the chart does look strong. Right. It's the morning, guys. Shit. What are their wallets? Do they got BNB wallets? If they got BNB wallets, I don't mind sending them now. Can you check out BWLD? BWLD. Flocka is sending, huh? BWLD. See, you would have to have been there all night. And now that's something that you would want to snipe, right? I mean, come on, bro. B. Bolt. Who is this? Bull Run? Oh man, I don't know about this one, Bull Run. What? Can I ask you a question, Bull Run? What? Because sometimes I've noticed that you'll give tokens, and I'll be like, what interest? I like to know how y'all think. Like, what interests you about this token? Because some of you guys been in crypto for a while. And at some point, you gotta know what's gonna pump and what's not gonna pump. What interests you about this token? You got some pretty bullish partnerships with. I don't know, man. It's definitely in a downtrend. This is our website. See what they got going on. Sorry, guys. Y'all don't mind me. Don't mind me. It's because I'm in crypto all the time. So when I see some shit, I'll be like, what the? Modular play on words. The future of sports gaming. Turbocharge your communities and build for scales. Scale. They got a lot going on, but I hit team, and it really didn't show me anything. I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know about this one. They say they got a lot going on, but the chart just doesn't show it. I've seen so many of these projects that just add all this jargon on here and they try to get you in, and it's just like, whatever. Do you know that in order to run a project like this, you got to have some money, right? It's a gaming project. What interests you about this token? I often got to ask you guys something. When y'all go into buying tokens, like, why would you buy this? Why would you buy this? I don't know. There's nothing interesting me about that token. Less than 500K market cap, less than seed price, near all-time low, have good partnership and team is docs. On any look at Doug X Space is literally the best meme content. CMO, I'll check it out. Doug the Duck. I'll join the Telegram, CMO. Less than 500K market cap, less than seed price, near all-time low, and have a good partnership and the team is doxed. That's it? Hey, if you feel like it's going to be a good token, so be it. I don't want to give the wrong impression. So, yeah. I don't know about this, man. They got some soccer stuff going on. Maybe like the whole Euro thing can pump this. I don't know, guys. Gaming has been getting hammered. Gaming is a very strong narrative. But nah, I don't know about this one. It's not something that I personally. I don't know. I'm not trying to fudge your bags. I'll let you go. Easy to make X when gaming kicks in. Okay, if you say so. J5 robots. Right. If I was a serial developer, right, then we would do that, right? We would make a whole bunch of J5 variants on different chains, right? Telegram is going to eat casual games. I can see that happening. Telegram, everybody in crypto, like the trenches, everybody is like, it's on Telegram. Like, you know, guys, I hate Telegram. I'm not even a Telegram fan. I want to make that clear. I'm not a fan of Telegram, right? And I've said that before. But in order to get in a project early, it's very, 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 very important that you see what's going on in the Telegram, and it has a Telegram presence. I'm just going to say it like that. Opinion about LandFi. LandFi. Come on, man. Y'all got to give me something that's interesting, man. Give me something that's interesting, man. Come on, man. Just because a project has a low market cap, guys, that doesn't mean it's going to do good, man. We still on this, man. We still ain't learned our lessons in crypto. All right. I didn't even pay attention to the volume here. The BNB volume is so terrible. I literally want to like move J5 BNB, bro. BNB volume is absolutely terrible. Like $2. CZ, hurry up and get out, bro. Because whoever's running BNB, I don't know what they doing. The price itself of BNB chain has been doing well, but the projects that are on BNB, that they don't get any help from BNB. You know why Base Chain does well? And I'm not saying Bowls is a bad project, but you know why Base Chain and Solana does well? Because they have built-in market making, right? They soon as a project launched, the market makers hop on it, and if it's a good project, then you can get that volume going, right? Or you can set you up a volume bot, right? In the market making. Market making costs so much on BNB because of the gas. BNB, they need to take a page out of Solana and Base Chain's book if they want to be competitive. Crypto.com as well. They need built-in market makers. This is why Solana and Base Chain does well. They have built-in market makers that help out the project with volume support. This is kind of like our community project, just pathetic on volume support. BNB is just has been hurtful, very, very hurtful, very, very hurtful to a lot of projects' growth. BNB just doesn't help projects, bro. It's been very, very helpful to a lot of projects' growth. You see how transparent I can be? They gotta fix this if anybody's gonna buy this, bro. Bull run. If they don't get a market maker, then no one's gonna buy the project. It's just what it is, bro. I'm sorry to tell you that. Waffles, yeah. You got what's the guy named DaVinci LNQ? It's a good AI project. Check ENA. Yes, good project. They ought BM token, BNB's token. The permanent haven't seen any life on B. Jugglins. Thank you. Thank you. That's what I cannot understand. It's blowing my mind. So, guys, I talked to the Elite Council about this. Like, we're working on expansion to one of the hot chains. We're working on expanding to one of the hot chains, right? We're working on expanding the hot chains, right? That's one thing I would have did differently. Is not pick BNB chain. I thought BNB was going to be a whole lot better for altcoin season, right? It has been terrible as far as volume support. Terrible. And every project that's on BNB can agree with me. Guys, BNB, y'all need to get that shit together, man. Jugglins, you already know, man. You already know what time it is. Folks about to dip, right, Robert? Yeah, BNB has been horrible, man. Check out Waffles. Waffles still doing good? Yeah, BNB has been horrible, man. BNB has been horrible. We can't wait to get on other chains, bro. If we get some good momentum, we are going. We gonna go to another chain so damn fast. I can't even. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait to get base in Solana. BNB has been just absolutely horrible. Waffle is correcting, so that's good, man. If you're looking to get into it, it's the cat here for DaVinci. You know, DaVinci has a big name in the space. There's a pump on him. There's a pump because of DaVinci. Eventually, there's a pump. It pumped a lot. It has to correct to pick up new buyers. But look at the volume. Look at the volume, right? Almost $1 million in volume. This is what you want to see. This is what traders look for. $1 million in volume, but a low volatility score, right? So you can park your money in it. You can go to sleep at night. You ain't gotta really worry about nothing. DaVinci. It's DaVinci's cat. This is not a bad project. Not a bad project. Momentum is bearish. It's oversold on the stock RSI. Still above the VWAP, which is bullish. Needs to break above the middle of the Bollinger Band to get to get back where it needs to be going. But this is a good correction. You have one here. You have one here. This is a good correction for anybody that's looking to get in. $20 million market cap. I wouldn't be surprised if this runs to $100 million market cap or higher. Solely because of the star power of DaVinci, right? He's a big star. He's talked about Waffles. He didn't create it, but he's given his blessing, so I think that it'll do well. It's DaVinci's cat, so. Cat narrative mixed with a good influencer, good. I literally know two means BSC J5 and Katamoto. Yeah, man, it's been awful. It's been awful. Salt Bay token on base, bro. I never heard of that one. What's the ticker? LAN. Yeah, guys, I want to make it clear. Like, just because a project has a low market cap, that does not mean it's going to do well. It's a lot more that goes into this stuff, man. A lot more that goes into this stuff. All right, Lanify. I mean, yo, now this is unacceptable. This is on Ethereum. Come on, man. Juggling, bull run. I know you're not buying these tokens, bro. These tokens. This is on ETH. I mean, if you can't get volume going on ETH, I'm not even gonna look at this. That's all I need to see. It's guys, I'm in crypto. I'm behind the scenes in crypto, guys. If you come up here and talk about some token, And I just shake my head. It's the reason why I'm shaking my head. Why are we buying these? Go where the money at. Just go where the money at. That's all I'm gonna say. Go where the money at, man. You can still find tokens that's on the downtrend. That's where the money at, right? Good narrative. That's where I don't know what is this. What is this? You done bought 2 low volume tokens. Leverage your unused internet bandwidth. Okay, this is Depend project. I like it. I like the narrative, right? But they need help with the volume. They need to get a market maker. They need to get some things going so they can attract attention, right? Because as a trader, I'm telling you, the first thing when a trader looks at that, they're not gonna buy it. It's just not a buy. It's not attractive, right? So now you already got one market that's not interested, right? Now the next market is the people like you that buy a token that's looking for low cap gems that just want to hold, but will it eventually go back up? It's in the AI Depend sector. It could, but as long as they're building, I don't want to say I don't think it's a bad project. I think it's a great project, right? I think that there's a lot of overhead for a project that's doing anything in dependent AI, right? So, guys, if the demand for the project is not there, which we can clearly see, and it has a utility in a use case, the only thing that will continue to happen is the price will go down. Bills have to be paid. Overhead has to be paid. They are a AI and Depend project, but they have no demand. So now you're betting against the overhead of this project eventually turning around because the demand comes back. You're taking a risk that, hey, at some point, the demand will come back for this project, okay? It's the same thing for gaming and AI, right? It can look beautiful, but if there's no interest, that you have to be prepared to know, like, hey, I'm buying this project, but it could go lower because every month the same bills come around to keep this project going. And I know right now there is no demand for this project. So maybe I DCA with the hopes that it eventually turns around. I don't think people take this into consideration when they're doing their research. They're like, oh, great utility, low market cap, I'm going to buy this project. Well, is the demand there? Because if the demand isn't there and they have monthly overhead, only thing that happens is you're trading against the overhead of the project. Price continues to go down. And then you start fucking complaining because, like, when the price is going up, but you want utility, you want use case. You got to give something to get something, right? So they need demand to further push out their product, their utility, unless they have the money to do it, right? If they have the money to do it, cool. Do they have the money to do it? I don't know. I haven't done any research, but this is a dependent AI project. So when doing that research, understand the risk of that project, because there are good projects in the AI sector that do have a bag to be able to continue to push their project even when the demand is not there. You want to make sure you're connected to one of those. So hopefully I explain that in a way you guys can understand, right? I'm not trying to be negative on the project. Really check out More. Maybe off the screen is interesting. At least they were in Dubai token 49. Let's see what we have here. More diamond tokenization app. More. That sounds interesting. Landfi could do good though. I don't know what they got going on, but hey, maybe they bounce back. Alright, let's see here. More. Hopefully they bounce back, right? Plays app has held in pretty strong. I'm surprised. More. I don't know what. I'm not seeing any token. Beer coin. That shit had a massive sell off, right? People were calling that a scam. All right. I'm not really seeing any tokens by Lamar. CX has better value. Yeah. Definitely. CEX has better value. On which one? DMore doesn't have a token yet. Okay, it doesn't have a token yet. Do people still land on CS or something? I don't know. Turbo probably will be the next $1 billion market cap. I can see that happen. Turbo has a lot of demand. Spike on base just launched an hour ago. Good community. Spike on Soul is 6 billion. Spike on base. Yeah, Spike on ETH did well too. I had some guys that hopped in Spike on ETH. That made a lot of money. I missed that one. My boy um Grip Elite. He's part of the Elite Council. My boy Grip. Roaring Kitty updated their profile. This is one of my favorite Roaring Kitty meta tokens. I do have a moon bag. Was able to take profits on this, but I got a moon bag. All right, let's see what we got here. You said Spike on ETH. Let's go. Let's see what we got going on here. Now let's see. No, you said Spike on base. All right, let's see what we got going on. Matt Berry Spike on base. It's now at a $44,000 market cap. I'm gonna do some research live for you guys. All right. 15-minute is looking okay. All right, but again, this is a new token. In fact, this is what I'm talking about. Launched 2 hours ago. And this is the thing about this token, right? I'm gonna show you what I look for, right? Because with this type of token, I would just wait for a community takeover. I wouldn't even buy now. I'll be like, oh, yep, new Spike event is probably gonna be a CTO more than likely, right? Okay, so let's see what we got going here. First and foremost, was this launched out of Base Jump or Ape Store? So this is what I would look for, right? Binding base meme coins live. Kind of fixed the title. Spike and Fisher, inspired Matt Furry. Okay, 2,800 followers. That's not bad. But I don't think it's organic. That's the first thing, right? They got all these followers, but they're not getting a lot of likes or comments, right? So I don't think that's organic, right? They're saying that they burnt the liquidity base token and then the token is renounced. So that's cool, right? But right there, you can see that it's not really organic following, right? They're trying to look cool, which is fine. I don't mind it, but I know, right? Because I've been doing this for a while. 30K market cap. All right, so let's see here. Holder count, we got 290 holders here. Let me see if I see any wallets that I'm familiar with. All right, cool. So audit look like it probably most likely checks out. And I don't know if the token sniffer is done yet, but I'll look at that once it's finished, right? All right, so 30K market cap. So I'm assuming that this either was launched in Ape Store Base Jump, correct? If it was launched on Ape Store and Base Jump, I definitely am waiting for the dump. All right, so let's join the group. See what's going on. All right, got that set up there. My goddamn camera. Fuck. Oh, hold on, I gotta change my camera, guys. Let's see what we got here. Spike on base. Alright, let's see. Deck screener updated. Let me make sure I'm back on screen. Okay, I'm back on screen. Alright, deck screener updated. Oh, they will Portal, Crypto Ball, Spike 2%. Did they pay for trending yet? More callers coming, guys. They said they got more callers coming. Spike team is base so far. I think this project can grow. Alright, they did get a call from Wolf Calls here. So they do got some calls going on. To Spike on base will be top 3. But I've seen this so much, guys. I've seen this so much before, right? I've seen this all the time. Again, we'll just have to see if this project is something that can last of the teletime, right? Normally, these projects, when they jump out of Ape Store or they jump out of Base Jump, they pump to 100K and then they dump down to around 10K, right? So I'll continue to monitor this. Next, what I do is I like to check out if it's actually bullish on the 5 or 3 minute time frame. So salute to Biggie Isaiah. Let's see here. Let's see what we got here, guys. This is a new project. Huge wick candles on a 3 minute. Gotta look at the 3 minute chart to even see what we got going on here. All right. This looks like it keeps getting rejected on the VWAP here. So you do got some trading. I wouldn't consider this a bad just yet, but I also want to make sure that the holder count is not, really weird here. So you got somebody that holds 5% and 4%. That's just a little too much, right? As a trader, there probably will be people that ask them to split up these wallets here because this is just too much, right? Too much to be holding in such a small project, right? So 5% is a lot. Doesn't look like that. So that's right there. That right there is these two wallets, in my opinion, is just too much. They're holding too much. Right? I'll wait till they dump off. They hold it too much, right? And they're not really popular base wallets. All right, let's see, 2%. Yeah, I probably would wait. On this. I'd probably just wait for a community takeover. All right, they got to get their next tools taken care of. I wouldn't even buy this until it just dumped all the way out. If this came out of Ape Store or Base Jump, I wouldn't buy this until it just dumped all the way out. It's just no point. Wait for the CTO. Guys, just wait for the CTO. I would not buy that. All right, you can even sell that if you bought it. Waiting for Rich to hit $100 million market cap. Rich? Oh man, come on, man. Rich the kid, he got to get in microvision space. I'm beginning now. Millie made me do it. Oh yeah, go join the Telegram. Base Jonathan on base. 30K now. What's up, Jay? Jonathan, don't take it personal, bro. I'm a base DJ. I hunt CTOs, right? That right there is not a bad project, but they got to get the DEX tools updated. They got a few things they got to get updated, and I would bank at some point that this project does have a CTO. RML, could you even sell that if you bought it? Yeah, you can sell it. The audit looked like it was clean. You can sell it. You can definitely sell it. RL Morris. There's a lot of people that's holding these high market cap tokens, and just I'm just telling you, man. If you in the trenches, you make way more money daily trading meme coins than right now in this market, right? You might just hold, but if you ain't got the time, it's very, very lucrative to trade altcoins. I'm going to just say it like that. I'm not even going to say meme coins. It's very, very lucrative to trade meme coins opposed to trying to hold a meme coin and waiting for bull run market, right? You can make so much bags just trading meme coins, right? It's crazy. Oh, okay. I see you got the base picture. I didn't know if you was a base DJ or a base Chad. I know a couple base DJs and base Chads, right? Yeah, I hunt for CTOs at this point on base, because again, like, these projects are jump. They'll tell you everything they want you to believe in, right, in the Telegram, and then 30 to 45 minutes later, the dev disappears, the dev sells his bag, and now the community is trying to come together for a CTO, right? But you need the right people. You need the right people to get into the CTO. You need the right people to get it, to run the CTO, right? You need the right people. I'm picking up Ort, Bull Run, Artifact, AAA. Artifact is cool. Ortis, I never heard of that. Oh, you on Biggie? Let's go. Salute to Biggie. All right, come on, guys. I mean, let's be serious. If this project was a sender, right, it would already be at 100K in market cap. It's very simple, right? From my knowledge, from what I'm seeing, if this was a sender, a cooker, it'd already be at 180 mark there, right? Something that whales and traders are seeing that they don't like about this project, and it's why they haven't bought it, right? They probably need to get base trending. They probably need to get trending running, and they need to get the DEX tool set up. And whoever holds these two wallets, 1 and 2, they either need to sell their fucking bag and get out the way, or they need to split these wallets. They need to split these wallets. Now, if they split these wallets, it'll be a little bit more attractable. But until then, as a trader, I'm looking at the same thing, right? I'm looking like, okay, I can make money in this right now if I throw $100 and be like, okay, this thing can go to 300,000. Will it? I don't know, right? I need to hang around the Telegram. I need to see more. But I as a trader, if I'm going to put big money into this, these first 2 wallets kind of like scare me, right? They hold a large percent on the supply. So if I want to ape into this, I got to take an initiative that I might get dumped on, right? Well, there you go. There you go. Did he move it? Yo, who is on this? Is somebody watching the stream? Did they move this? Like, what happened to the wallet? What happened to the wallet? Look, all right, I'm not talking about this no longer because somebody is watching my stream from base and they're trying to. All right, I'm gone. Look, I'm not no more free Randy, no more free whoever's watching this from base. I know I got a lot of friends in base. They I no more free Randy. Whoever did that, salute to you. I know for sure somebody from the team is either watching this or that wallet just sold off. Something just happened live here on stream, guys. I know y'all just seen that shit. So I can't cover that token because look. That was weird. Look, bro, I'm just telling you how this shit goes on base. Now, you ain't got to take advantage. You ain't got to listen to me. You ain't got to listen to me. Jay, you ain't got to listen to me. But this is what I do. You ain't got to listen to me, but this is what I do. And whoever is either listening, they either sold that bag or they already know, like, shit, Millie not going to talk about this or hop in this unless you split that wallet. So whoever did that was they either sold the wallet or they're just very, very smart. Salute to them. Look, I don't know. I think they split the wallet. I don't know if they sold it. But whoever did that split the wallet. Jonathan, is this your token? If this is your token, you're the dev of this token, let me know. Because now I'm starting to think like you have something to do with the team or you're the dev. Let's check out Mago. Let's get this off the stream. I'm giving him too much free Randy. Could be a cooker though. Team seems like they're serious, and they just put a big smile on my face. Right? They just put a big smile on my face. Which one? Are you talking about the one on base? Let's go. Oh shit! Which one are we talking about? Are we talking about this new mega right here? Guys, I'm not gonna keep covering new tokens like this. It's not. I'm not gonna keep doing that. I'm not gonna keep doing that. Jugglers, you see that, right? Mega Trump base is up 200%. Please check out that one. I sold a little bit. Nah, these are new tokens, guys. I can't check out all the new tokens on base. You gotta be part of the Discord and the Patreon. Waiting for Rich to hit a 1 million. Let's check out Rich. I haven't checked out that in a while. Let's check out that. Y'all hey, base DJs, you base Chads on my stream going crazy. See Rich. Base Chads are on the stream, guys. The base Chads are on the screen. They on the stream. They watching Millie. They already know what time it is, bro. I be in almost every community on base. Base CTO, DJ Hunter. Oh my God. I mean, hopefully Waka Flocka can get this thing going. I know Little Pump token just went absolutely parabolic after this nigga. I said the hood came out after this guy. Excuse me. After this guy tatted Solana on his head. His project woke up. So excuse my language there. I was just thrown off because it was Lil Pump, guys. But after his After he tatted Solana on his head, his project's absolutely sent, right? So you will see some of these celebrity meme coins do well. Like this guy went and got Solana tatted on his head and committed to his meme coin, and he just sent. Now, I held a little pump here, but I didn't get a chance to experience this huge move because I got up out of it, right? I thought it wasn't going to do nothing. I thought it was dead. And out of nowhere, Lil Pump decides to get a Solana tattoo on his head. And this thing absolutely went crazy overnight, right? Overnight. So sometimes you just got to hold your bags. I gave y'all the story about Pep Cat, how it's 17x'd overnight. Yeah, Lil Pump here is really, really, really pumping his token. You can see here he got the Solana tattoo on his head. And once his team, the community seen that, they was like, okay. You know what I mean? Okay. He's serious about crypto, and his token went absolutely parabolic. So there are some community celebrity meme coins that do well. Most of them don't do anything. Keep that in mind. But you got some of these guys that are committing to their tokens. So that's good to see, right? Because what it'll do on the flip side, it will bring in new retail. It will bring in new retail, right? Will they get wrecked? Who knows? But at least new people are coming into crypto. Base trading adjusts all new tokens when they launch in the Coinbase wallet. Yeah, I'm familiar with that, right? They like to increase their holder count. Yeah, real MAGA Trump on basis from same team from Trump on ETH. Okay, that's good to know. I got a MAGA ETH at $7. Wow. Opinion about Space Mesh. Can we look at live about how that Spike Dev split it? Jugglers, look, Jugglers. I can't give him no more. I can't give him no clout, bro. I gave him already too much clout, and then go split the wallet on stream. All right, so I gave him too much clout, guys. I gave him too much clout, and they split the wallet on stream. I don't know. It might be a cooker. It might be a cooker. If the team willing to like go beyond to like do some things like that, because as traders, that's what we look at. It might be a cooker. It might be a cooker. I don't want to stamp it though, so I'll wait to the CTO. I'll wait to the Who knows? It might not be a CTO. It might not. It might be. I don't know, but I like waiting for the CTOs, right? Jugglers, what is you on, bro? Now the mag on base about the all-time high, about to triple my investment. Which one are you talking about, Jay? Jay, which one are you talking about? You want me to pump your bags, bro? That's clearly what you're saying. You want me to get your attention and pump your bags, right? Is you talking about the one that launched 3 hours ago? You got to be talking about this one, right? Which one are you talking about? Or are you talking about this one? Okay, you're talking about this one. 14 million. Yeah, I told you guys. My guys, I know some guys that's in this token. Some of the same people that's in Biggie. I didn't told you guys. Look. This is one of the selected tokens, guys. This is gonna do well. This is gonna do well. This is probably gonna be a cooker. It's probably gonna go to 100 M's. It's most likely gonna go to 100 M's, right? There's some people that's Chads and base that's really, really bullish on these tokens, and some of the same people are also bullish on Biggie. So yeah, MAGA on base is a cooker. I've seen this token talked about in the groups. I'm not surprised that it's up 200%. I personally didn't get in. I missed it. It's a couple base tokens that I wanted to get in that I actually missed. Like I seen this at $1 million market cap, and I thought it was over. He said that. Why did they do that? Why Dex Tools is a hater. This token has no affiliation with Bitcoin. Yeah, we know that, right? But the market doesn't care, right? And this thing is corrected 50%, man, crazy, right? So this thing was at $1 million market cap when I first seen it, and every day they was in the Telegram doing voice chat, and I noticed how strong the community was. But once the base Chads got involved, this thing went from a $1 million market cap to a $30 million market cap in like 2 to 3 days. It literally did a 30x, right? It's now come back down to a $15 million market cap. And I remember one of my one of the guys talking about this, he was like, look, man, I got into this thing early and sold at a $1 million market cap. And he said he lost out on like 40, 50K because it ended up running to like a 30K market cap. So Bitcoin on base has been insane, but now you're starting to see like TON on base, Tron on base, Ethereum on base, Solana on base. So they're really diluting the narrative. So you'll probably see a liquidity rotation from Bitcoin on base to some of these CTOs that you're seeing on base, like Tron on base, TON on base. I'm not stamping none of those projects, okay? I just know about them. But this is good. 3 million in volume. Oh my God, what a cooker, right? But it is a lot of selling pressure because a lot of people made a big, huge bag on this, guys. This thing has less supply than Bitcoin, and it's still under $1. So it still go higher. Don't get me wrong. But you know, the Jeets got to go, right? Got to get the Jeets out. A lot of people made money on this project. Got to get the Jeets out. But some of the same Chads are in MAGA, are also interested in Biggie. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Now the mega base about to hit. Opinion about Sensei. Yes, that's the one. We've been telling him. I got in at the bottom, but only put 100,000. Oh, so you up. I know the base chain is your thing, but have you checked out TON chain? How about Redo and HIF about to hit some big listings? Yeah, I've just checked out TON chain. I had my TON chain and everything set up. But one of the accounts that I was using on Telegram for some odd reason got banned, and it was just like, what the hell? Like, I don't even know what be happening, bro. It's like somebody just really just do not like me. I don't know. Resistance dog. Yeah, they got resistance dog, resistance cat. Let's see what we got here as far as like trending market cap meme coins. Let's see if we got something. All right, we got Haku, we got Notcoin Inu. I heard Messiah talk about TON. He said like it's less Jeets over here. So I would think right now a lot of traders are taking advantage of. It's kind of like Postchain. If you ever did meme coin trading on Postchain, Postchain meme coins actually run. There's not a lot of Jeet. Like people sell, but it's not like overbearing Jeets like you see from Base in Solana, right? You just see so many people quickly trying to make 2x, 3x. They really don't give the token a chance to mature. But I heard over here on TON, it's not like that. And I heard on Postchain, it's not like that. So I've looked into a few TON meme coins. I've already started like trying to, use the ecosystem, right? I knew this one was going to do well, right? Resistance Girl. I should have knew that was going to do. I seen that one. But I started to look into the TON ecosystem. I think that they're doing some. I think they got listed on Robinhood. Like this has potential, right? It's Telegram's blockchain, choice of blockchain, and they're starting to get meme coins. You starting to see a lot of big names in the space, big Chads in the space, move over to TON because they're complaining about a lot of Jeets being on Solana and a lot of Jeets moving over to Base as well, like scammers type Jeets. So yeah, TON could do well. MAGA Trump on base of 5 been in that under 1 million. Salute, man. You up 14x, Jay. Yeah, I'm gonna need to copy trade you. Base chain is my thing. I like all chains, but like it just depends on where the momentum is, right? Oh, but yeah, I think TON is gonna pick up some momentum, guys. You got it at the bottom of MAGA. Go ahead, man. You guys are some Chads, bro. Salute. Postchain has become really bad recently. I'm trying to day trade on Base because of it. Oh, it's bad. I haven't done anything on Postchain. I know Honda is big on it in our Discord, and in the past, he was making a lot of money, and it just seemed like all Postchain meme coins were only going up early. And then you got B Roots and Ian and them guys that are big Chads that really push the narrative of Postchain. So you got some big wallets over there. Yeah, Base is where it's at, man. But you got to be there all day, bro. You got to be on Base all day. You got to really be in the trenches, right? You got to really be in the trenches. All right, did Spike do a CTO yet? Am I flooding Spike? For an entry point? Nah, I'm fucking with y'all. It's too low of a market cap, right? It's too low of a market cap. I really can't, Yeah, it's too low of a market cap. It's still low. Yeah, guys. I mean, come on, man. I'm not even gonna show this any longer. It's too low of a market cap. Too low of a market cap. We wait for the CTO. Memes, yeah, but no one. Everybody wants to talk about meme coins right now. Unfortunately, Bullrun, like I like utility tokens. I still got a lot of AI coins, a lot of gaming coins, and I just let that. I just let it chill. I don't touch my utility bag. Sometimes I'll come back to my bag and see one of the utility tokens have pumped, and I'm like, yes, yes, thank you. Right? I'll see GHX. AXGT, we got Zero AI. We still, I seen one of my AI tokens dump. Gen AI went up and then it dumped all the way back down. South AI, I mean, Moon Tropica, MMA. I still got a good bag of AI and gaming, good mix of AI and gaming tokens that I think at some point will come back around. I think they will come back around. Utility also now bonds, no hype trying to accumulate. Yeah, I agree 110%. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Like right now in the Discord, like, guys have been thanking me like, Millie, I've been able to stack so much ETH to get into some utility plays. These guys hit me up like, man, what do you think about EC? EC is another good one, right? A lot of people sleep on this token here, and it's really, really good. Let's see if I can find it. See if I can. I always spell it wrong. But it's called EC or something like that. I don't know. EC is another good one. Man, look at all these. I told you guys, like, you got so many good games on sale, right? Star Atlas is a game on the Solana chain, which gives all. This thing is under a $50 million market cap right now. I mean, look at the correction on it, right? If we go to the daily, here. I mean, look at the correction on Star Atlas, right? And there's tons of good games. Star Atlas, Shrapnel, Blood Loop, right? In the AI section, you got Cookies AI just dropped. You got so many different AI tokens that have flatline, right? GPU, Node AI. I think it's around 50, 60 million right now, right? So many good utility tokens that are just screaming a good buy right now. So I agree with you 110%, Bull Run. I agree with you 110%, bro. 110%. I agree with you. I'm going to still find that one that's going to give me back 1,000x with 100. It can happen. It can happen. It can happen. Right? Well, you got to understand. You got to get into that joint at like 10K market cap. At this point, memes are a gamble. Great time to accumulate a main portfolio. Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, Ondo, Aerodrome, etc. Go with the ones that are good against Bitcoin peer. Yeah, I agree. Taking profits for bigger caps. Yeah, that's what I just said. We stacking ETH, baby. But I mean, trading meme coins is very profitable on the daily. Like, I don't want to. Guys, it's very profitable. Like, you might be like, I can tell you, like, on the average, right? If you're a good meme coin trader, right? And just if you're a good meme coin trader, if you really, really good on the, and this is on the low end, right? And it's still better than if you worked at a, your regular job, right? Still, if you got time to go full-time Web3 and you're good at spotting narratives, you're good at understanding how the science of why these meme coins spot, you can easily daily make 300 to 1,000 a day. Now, you might have 1 or 2 days where you don't make no money. It's called the law of averages, right? So, okay, I know if I go on a 3-day run, then I need to take the next 2 days off because the laws of averages tells me that it's a good chance that I have 2 bad days. So I say, if you're a good meme coin trader, right, you can make 300 to 1,000 daily 4 out of 6 days out of the week. Right? Take 3 days off, go hard 4 days, take 3 days off, go hard 4 days, right? Kind of keep your laws of averages at bay, right? But understand, if you go throughout the whole day and you say, okay, I go throughout the whole day, I lose like $300, right? And then finally you get a 10x and your 10x puts you around $600-700 gain, $1,000 gain. Sometimes you got to be like, all right, I'm going to go ahead and take this W and live to see another day. But it's just like going into the casino, right? And I told the Patreon this. I said, when you go into Vegas and you hit big at the MGM, you don't fucking stay at the MGM and try to bet again. You leave that casino and you go to the next one. Do not Try again, because the casino is designed, once you make money, to get that money back from you. And it's the same thing with trading meme coins on these chains. The chain is designed, once you win, to get that money back from you. So you have to play the laws of averages. But yeah, I mean, $300 to $1,000 is very, very, in a bull run, not in a fucking bear market, okay? I want to make that clear. You cannot do this in a bear market unless you're shorting the market, okay? I just got to make it clear. But good trader in a bullish market, in a bullish trend, right, can make $300 to $1,000 just in this market. Now, just imagine when they turn on the money printer and the global liquidity continues to go up. I would expect that the meme coin craze is going to get even crazier, right? But yes, you leave your moon bag, you take your profits, and you roll it into projects that you know are going to be here for the next 2 to 4 years. That's a great strategy, right? Or you stack ETH, or you stack Bitcoin. Whatever strategy you have, you stick to it. But it is very profitable if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, then you just gonna lose. And even if you know what you're doing, you can still lose. Oh, why are you coming on my stream talking about Pendo, bro? Pendo is one of the tokens that I fumbled the bag at, right? I got into punts on Jonathan. I don't know if you're new to the channel. My name is Crypto Millie, and I talk about crypto, and I talk about my wins, my losses, my fumbles. Pendo is one of those tokens I got into at 5 cents and sold at 50 cents, and I watched that thing go to $7. Like, Pendo was probably my biggest fumble in crypto. It's the one where it's just like you see the you see the Wojak meme, and you just like, you smiling, but like deep inside you're crying. That's what Pendo does anytime somebody brings Pendo on my screen. You bring Pendo on my stream, Jonathan, knowing FALX has big potential. It's the fastest DEX on. Okay. All right. Well, let's see. FALX. What happened to Ape Swap or whatever, the Gorilla Swap? What happened? It's better than Radium, it's better than Jupiter, and it's only sitting at $11 million market cap? What? All right, we're going to have to take this in the back office. We're going to have to take that in the back office. Let's see what we got here. If you're new to the stream, you already know, do not bring up Pendo on my stream. I will block you. No, I'm just kidding with you. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. Chart looks nice on the daily. Chart looks nice. Chart looks nice. Chart looks nice. Chart looks nice and strong, right? Let's go to the I hate using a 12-hour, but it's just, this is where it's at, right? A little bit overbought there. Chart looks nice and strong. $11 million market. I mean, man, when you compare this to like Jupiter and Radium, yeah, lots of potential here. Definitely 20x, 50x type of 10 to 50x type of potential here with Falcon DEX, right? I haven't used it. I gotta use it. I want to use it. Let's see how well it is, right? Chart looks strong. And if you're saying it's better than Radium and it's better than Jupiter, then you got a shot. You got a shot with this one to do something crazy, like run from anywhere between 100 million and 1 billion, right? If you're saying it's better than Radium and it's better than Jupiter, and you're expecting a whole lot of retail to be DJing on Solana, which, I mean, look what we're seeing. Like, Flocka is now went from an $8 million, $12 million market cap right on stream, guys. Right on stream, right? So, you know, traders are trading this right now, but this is an example on why something like the token Falcon X could do well, because these guys are going to bring retail. And if you think that Solana is going to continue to do this right here, so Falcon X is actually pretty good. So if you think another good metric checker here would be something like come on, Spike, CT fucking O, CTO. Send me to Valhalla. I'm waiting. Hey, Spike, you only Spike on base. I am waiting for the CTO on that. CTO. Hey, yo, hit me up on the back end base chats. Let's go, baby. All right. Solana. All right, let's check out the TVL Solana. All right, so if you're expecting the TVL to continue to grow here with Solana, then there's a good chance that that project will grow as well, right? What do we look for on some of the biggest chains, right? We look for the the top dexes, and we look for the top AMM's liquidity provider. So anytime you'll see a chain that's heating up, a great fade would be the top dex or the top AMM. For instance, what did we see pop when base pop? We seen Aerodrome pop, right? Because it's the top liquidity provider. Anybody that's creating a token has to go through AMM, and that's how they generate fees and revenue. Bullish, right? So if you think that Solana is going to continue to pick up retail interest and the TVL is going to continue to grow, then this token will also grow with the growth that you can see here with Solana, right? Kind of follows the TVL of Solana. These DEXs and AMA liquidity providers, they follow the TVL as of the major chain. So you can simply go copy and paste, kind of like you see here, copy and paste the TVL, and I guarantee you it's a very, very similar pattern. Very, very similar pattern. So always a win-win to get into a hot chain and look for the top DEX, the top AMM, which is the liquidity provider, and maybe the top meme coin, right? The top dog coin or whatever narrative that you're into. But if you're saying this is going to be better than Radium or Jupiter, then it's a good chance that this could run. I haven't done any research, but I'm just going off just simple common sense, in my opinion. Geez, I was riding for the possible ETF and it was approved. Sorry, my man. Wasn't the ETF? Nah, it was approved. Yeah, it was approved. But I got into Pendo in June 2022, probably before that, like bear market depths. I seen that project and I was like, man, this is a gem, right? But I had bear market post-traumatic stress. So when it got to a 10x, I didn't even leave a moon bag. I just blew that one. New to the channel a couple weeks ago. I found you love the content. Thanks, man. Stan Dex in Ton crazy FTV though, and I don't know how that works. Z is the Dex running already. Johnny, somebody fudge Millie of Pendo. He's still recovering. Nah, it was a Tor protocol with the community fudding me out. You guys fudding me out of a Tor protocol. I was the first pretty decent influencer that was really, really bullish on a Tor protocol before no one was talking about it, and then the community fudded it like, oh my god, it's about to end. It's about to be the end of a Tor. The Tor pulled the rug on us. They don't want to work with a Tor, and it was a whole bunch of FUD, and people was like, oh, it was a scam, and then a Tor bounced back, and then you started seeing Miles talking about it. This guy talking about it. So many different big influencers talking about it. And it was like, I got fudded out my bags by the community because I'm conscious of what the community thinks and really just conscious of doing the right thing, right? Doing the right thing by people. And at the end of the day, you guys fudded me out of my bags. I'm still recovering. Yeah, it was a Tor protocol. Pendo, I just simply had bear market stress and post-traumatic stress, and I was like, I've made too much money in Pendo. Let me get out. And then that shit rose to $7. And I just want to jump out my window as I look at the window and think about jumping out of it right now. Yes. Yes, Dex is running already. I've used it and it's fast like a falcon. Okay, yeah. I think that has some potential. All right, guys, I'm going to get up out of here. It's 10. I appreciate all the new faces, man. I don't know if I'll do another video today. I'm kind of like in the trenches right now. I got a goal that I'm working to reach by the end of the month, and I'm working to reach that goal. So that's why I haven't been dropping as much videos as I usually, or even going live like I usually should be. But it's because I'm working, guys. I'm really, really embedded into crypto and what's going on in crypto, and I'm really, 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 really working hard. So appreciate everybody that showed up to the stream. I know we got 22, and it's a lot of bigger streamers that I'm competing with during the time zone. But I'm up early. I got my coffee. I'm ready to attack my day aggressively. Anybody that's doing things on base, feel free to hit me up. I'm always on base. I'm always hanging around the TG on base. So, guys, come rock with me. Come rock with me. And Patreon, I'll continue to, if I'm seeing things, to get into that. Zech Space also facing the FUD like a Tor. Can you please check Zeph in Space? Might need to get some file X just in case. Yeah, I think it has potential. Just based off the TVL metrics. But again, there was a project that said the same thing a while back. Ape Swap or Ape I don't know what it was, but they were supposed to be the next best DApp or on Solana, right? And I think they just kind of like the hype died down. I don't know if those guys are still building, but you know, when I do my research, I want to make sure it's not the same team, it's not the same team members, because so many serial developers are in space. So you got to be very, very cautious with these meme coins. Sometimes it's the same team behind these meme coins. They might start another one, so you want to very, 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 very cautious. Yes. Appreciate you guys. I will see you in the next one. Is 10. It's your way, Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.
Pain, nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave. Been a risk taker and a heartbreaker. I'm just trying to make a way. Doomsday clock still ticking. I'm just out making plays. Good kid with a smart mouth. Built from trauma and the pain. Nigga, you a surfboard in a shark's pool. I'ma always be the wave.